Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to compare AutoGlym UHD Car Shampoo compared to Polar Wash. I'm going to use them as recommended by AutoGlym, one by Snow Foam and one with a wash mitt. I first pre-rinsed both cars with AutoGlym Polar Blast. They both have their pros and their cons. I first start by putting 4 capfuls in a bucket and filling with water. Shampoo is a thick consistency. The shampoo has got a nice sweet aroma. I think it could be a watermelon, not too sure. And then I froth up with the pressure washer. The UHD shampoo's got plenty of suds and I can tell it's got plenty of lubrication. I do like, once the car's washed, I can actually tell that the paintwork is actually shinier, and I've noticed that the wheels, for some strange reason which I don't understand, stay cleaner, and I noticed that the tyres repel water more than normal. Now I'm going to use the Polar Wash with the Snow Foam lamp. Polar Wash is good because it leaves a clean slate and doesn't bury the protection of your coatings, waxes or sealing. In other words, it doesn't mask the LSP, last step protection. What I like about it is it's quick to apply over the full car, and I like the fact that I know that the shampoo is 100% fresh from the bottle with no trapped dirt in it. The shampoo is cleaning the paint surface, allowing the ceramic coating to reveal its oleophobic properties. In this shot you can see the suds being fought off by the coating. On the car with the UHD shampoo, you can see it's masked some of the hydrophobic properties of the coating. On the car with the Polar Wash, you can see the high hydrophobic ability of the paint. The weeks and months of using both products, the Polar Wash and the UHD, I prefer the Polar Wash because of the speed, safe wash and the hydrophobic ability. Why I make Polar Wash my go-to product. That's it for today's video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified of future uploads. Comment down below for ideas, thoughts and questions. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.